Hey loves, welcome back to my YouTube video. So today is going to be a quick video about unboxing. So I wanted to unbox a lot of these pieces that I've collected in the past few weeks. Some of them you probably have seen me wear it on my Instagram. In case you haven't, or in case you're not following me on Instagram, you know where to find me when I'm not on YouTube. You can find me on Instagram right here, and also on my blog where I share tons and tons of information, style, beauty, lifestyle, you name it, you'll find it on my blog right here. So I figured I haven't shared these pieces, I haven't unboxed it, well, some of them, or I haven't used them, so I thought I officially do an unboxing videos, even though some of the items have been featured here and there in my blog or on my Instagram, or even my last video, one of the Prada items was also featured here. Anyways, long story short, please ignore my voice. I might sound a little nasally because I have a cold, but let's do this. Let's start with Jacquemus. I love Jacquemus. I got this bag like probably a week or two before I traveled to California. If you saw my vlog, you probably know what I'm talking about. So I bought this bag. I have the smaller version in, well, maybe not the smaller version, the different shape in a white, and I've been wanting to get a black one. In fact, I've been wanting to get a brown and black one, but when I saw this I had to get it. But I still have my eyes on the smaller mini brown one. But anyways, this is what it looks like. Got a handle here, and I don't know, I think I took it with me to California, but I can't remember if I might have worn it, I can't remember, but I didn't wear it with the strap, so that's why the straps are still here. So this is the straps that go with it. So you can either carry it with the straps, or you can just, so if I want to wear it as a crossbody, I can just carry it like this, or I can just take the straps out and just hold on to it like this. I love it. I love a lot of their bags. I'm sure you've probably seen tons and tons of their bags. This is what it looks like inside. There we go. Just something just simple. It has a little mini pocket here, and also have a mini pocket here. I'll link to this one that I got in case you want to check it out. But I love it. I love their bags. I think this is the second bags I'm getting from them, and I'm not stopping there. Probably thinking of getting the brown one, and probably a brighter colored one for maybe my future vacation. Sorry, my voice. So next one is, I talked about this in my wish list, and I got it, and I've also worn it. So, but I wanted to officially show you guys this. I've always been a fan of loafers, so I've been looking at different loafers, and this definitely has been on my radar for a bit. The Prada had different ones where the heels are slightly chunkier, but I wanted to go with this one because I know down the line, you know, whether the trend passed or not, I will still like the sole of this. So this is the Prada one. Of course, I opened it already, so yeah. So this is the Prada one. At first, when I first got it, it took a while because when I first got it, I wore it for the first time for a photo shoot, and it was not the most comfortable thing because right here the leather was still trying to stretch out. So, but after a couple wears, after wearing it that day and another day, right now it's super comfortable. It has an elastic. I don't know if you can see it, but it has this elastic right here, so it helps stretch it out so that your feet can go in. So with time, after you wear it with time, the leather tends to stretch out and it's a little more comfortable, if that makes sense. But in the first few wears, for me, it felt like here on my top of my feet was a little uncomfortable. But now it's a lot better. I wear this. It's become it's almost taken replacement of my sneakers. When I just want to be on the go, I wore it to brunch last Saturday. Just paired jeans, white t-shirt, and wore this to brunch. Love it, love it, love it. Definitely recommend it. It fits true to size. I got my size 40, which I usually wear, so it's fine with me. So that's it for my Prada loafers. I will link it below. Everything is going to be linked below if it's available. So the next thing on my unboxing is, gosh, hopefully I can still remember how to pronounce this. This is the Jacques Marie. Hope I pronounced it right. This is, I think this was my only purchase when I went to California, Malibu for the retreat. We were shopping at Maxfield, LA, and I came across these glasses. I just kept going back to the glasses because it was just a unique shape of glasses. The color, it's amazing. Come to find out, one of the people who were on the retreat, he knew about it, and the store folks also told me more about the brand. So this brand, they make limited version of their glasses. So for this glass, so okay, first of all, this is, let me show you how it's packaged. Love the color, love the box. This is what it looks like. Came with a bag. It came with this, and this is their name. So this glasses, for each glasses they make a limited amount of it. So this one that I got, it was only 50 of them made worldwide. So I got the number 13 of the glass. So this is what it looks like. It's very different, very unique. I just love the color. Something about green, something about emerald. Maybe it's my birthstone, but I always seems like I've been always lean towards emerald. So this is what it looks like. Check out the shape. And when we were getting this, I also convinced Monica too. So she also got one too, but different, same brand but a different type of glasses. Love it. Let me show you what it looks like. Love the color. Love how it looks. I haven't worn it out, but I can't wait to wear it. So love it. So look at what it looks like here. Can't wait to style this. Can't wait to wear it out. Oops. Let me put it back here. So that's this glasses, and then I think I have one more thing to. Yeah, I do have one more thing to unbox. I got it. Earrings. So I got a Chanel earrings. Oops. So this is it. I feel like my voice is going the more I'm talking. So I was looking for a simple earring but still makes a statement. So my essay sent this earrings to me and I was like, okay, I want this. I still want this gold earrings. This one right here. I'm gonna put the picture over there. I still want it. So that's still on my list. So let me show you what, sorry, like it's coming out. This is what it looks, oops. This is what it looks like. This is a closer look of the earrings. So this is what it looks like. So love it. Definitely slightly different from the one I previously got. So collecting them. So yeah, that completes it for my unboxing. And let me know what you like. What are your thoughts? And please leave a comment. I'll appreciate your comment and your likes. It helps me out. It boosts my video. Thank you for watching. Hope you have a fabulous day and catch you later. Don't forget to subscribe if you're new here and hit the subscription button so that you don't miss any video anytime I post. Until later, talk to you later.